Hey, how's it going, guys? It's the Vagabond Trader here. Gonna be doing a small recap on two trades that I did during the day. Leave off the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour, and I also want to talk about three trades, three pairs that I'm keeping my eye out on. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna go over the day trades kind of on the 1 hour chart that I took during the day was Aussie USD. So as you can see now on the daily setup, there's been a uptrend happening since early 2016. Again, today we came back. Here's today's daily candle. We came back to test this trend line over here, and in this zone, as you can see here, if I just draw a line, excuse me, going back this way, you see this zone acted as support here, acted as support over here, some resistance over here, support, and again now we're here. So how did I trade this? I had this pair open for a retest of this trend line. If you go down to the 4 hour, not much. This candle really engulfed, but I didn't like how it closed. But I was mainly watching it on the 1 hour chart, and here you go. This is the test. Nice low test candle with a long low shadow. I was happy with this, and I believe I got in somewhere here, right around here, and took this whole move all the way up to the highs of here, and I brought down up my stop, I believe, to over here, and it got stopped up, but pretty good gain today on the Aussie USD pair. The next one I took this, I believe I'm still in this trade, a partial position still here. So how I traded this was on the 4 hour. Let me take you back to the daily. So daily, you see here, it's consolidating. It's broken this trend line. So this trend line, let me take this out, move. So it's broken this trend line, came back for a retest here. And what I took today was this candle. Sorry, it's actually this test that I took on the hourly. So I took this when it broke above this highs of this red candle, which tested the trend line, and I'm still in this. I'm hoping it would go all the way here, but I'm in the green right now. It broke above the 50-day moving average, and as of now it's holding it. Let's see how it happens. I've brought my stop back up to here, so I'm gonna let it run, see if it can hit the trend line. If not, I'll still be in profit and I'll get out of here. So those are the two main trades that I took today during the day. Now to go into some of the trades that I'm keeping an eye out for. A lot of Aussie dollar pairs, but let's take a look. First one up is Australia JPY. Definitely not on the 1 hour. Let's go back to the daily. Okay. So you see that this, let me just slow down here. Yeah, so it's been moving down and it's due for another test of this low trend line. And it came back up, kind of consolidating in this box here. Why I like this pair is right now there's no trade in. My trade would be triggered if price manages to break these highs. What I like is it's come up and it's holding the 50-day moving average pretty well. Today was a decent day, showing kind of neutral momentum here because price was all the way down here, but it managed to bulls were able to push it back all the way here. And today's during some time, if it is able to break the highs, I'll be in with a stop below here. And let's see if it moves all the way up there. If it does, I should be getting at least 1-to-1 risk to. That's a short. at least 1-to-1 risk to reward, and I'll be happy with that. It's the end of the week. I'm not pushing for too much right now. So let's see. Yeah, just below. Yeah, so 1-to-1, pretty much just above one. So not a bad trade. The next one is again. So I know I've day traded the Aussie USD, but end of day candle, I really liked how it ended with this strong low test candle again. As usual, I want confirmation. So a break above this low test and the 50 moving exponential moving average would trigger my trade, and I'm hoping it breaks this because look at the number of taps: 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is due to break these highs, but let's see how it happens. Good risk to reward, even if it doesn't. So let's see, my stop is right below this. Even if it moves all the way up here, not too bad. 1-to-1 trade. Hopefully this happens tomorrow or Monday. Let's see how it goes. It still hasn't triggered, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed. The next pair that's up is Aussie Kiwi. This I am sure. So these zones, if you guys watched my video yesterday, I brought this up yesterday as well. These are pre-marked zones that I've had from the from a weekly setup. These lows over here, these lows over here is coming. This zone is from the lows over here, and this is the most frequent lows. So this might, I like how this is sitting right under the 50 EMA of the weekly chart. It's not definitely a bullish close because it was not able to break this zone over here. So on the daily, if you look at it, that is a bullish candle. I'm sorry, bearish candle. So my setup will be triggered if it breaks today's this low over here, and I'm hoping to exit somewhere here because you have this resistance over here. So for a quick gain, I'm short on this, and that's about it. I'm not gonna be getting into any more trades tomorrow except for these ones. I'm gonna let it run if it happens. If not, I'll do my market recap over the weekend and see if there's any other trades coming up next week. Yeah, that's about it, guys. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys soon.